Hi, other investors, and welcome to Stock Market Watch, June 16. And this is Michelle. And in this video, I will give you a general idea what's happening in the stock market today. And I will analyze the US and the Canada markets both by the fundamental analysis and also the technical analysis. Hope it can help you about your investment in the stock market. Okay, first let's see the US market today. And for the US stock climbed today and snapping a 5 sessions streak of decline as telecommunications and utility shares gained. And for the Dow Jones Industrial Average have fallen as much as 169 points in the morning, trading after Japan's central bank dashed hopes for additional monetary easing and add concern about the effect of a coming UK vote on whether to remain in the EU. Official campaign ahead of referendum was held Thursday after a tractor killed lawmaker from UK's main opposition Labour Party. So by midday, stocks has recovered most of their losses, and trading volume was below this year's average. And some analysts also said the investors were taking advantage of the multi-day decline to exit from the bet against the market, helping stock rebound from the day's loss. So for the Dow Jones rose 92.93 points or 0.53 percentage and closed at 17733.10. And for the S&P 500 gains 6.49 points or 0.31 percentage and closed at 2077.99. And at the same time, the Nasdaq Index advanced 9.98 points or 0.21 percentage and closed at 4844.92. Right now, let's back to the technical analysis, and from the chart we can see it's quite interesting. I will show you some candlestick and you can find what's the same or common of them. One is the today's candlestick and this candlestick. And also this, from this four candlestick, what you can find out for the common point of this four. Yes, if you have the trained eye from the technical analysis, you can see it very clearly. All these four candlestick have a very long lower shadow, and if the candlestick have a lower shadow, that means the market in that day is create a low point. But when it's closed, the buyer's stress is more than the seller, and then the close price is close upper than the lower price create during the days. So that will have the finished pattern of the candlestick which have a very long the below shadow line, and you also can find out all this is at the bottom area, even for this one, bottom area have a lower, have a longer shadow line, and also this one. So if you want to know which one is the real one, which one is not, it's based on the two requirements. One, if you think that will be a button, we call it a special candlestick. We call it a button needle. It's like a needle to the earth. So it's a button needle. The button needle must appear after a significant drop down, significant drop down, significant drop down, significant drop down. So must appear at the end of the or at the lower position of after the significant drop down, and the candlestick have a much longer below shadow line, the lower shadow line. So that we can think that will be a button of the candlestick right now. So from this, you can think tomorrow most likely the big chance will going up, but you also need to think about another part. So that is the capital. The capital. If the price increased but the capital didn't increase, so that's only the short term or the 1 or 2 days action. It's not create a trend. It's not called a trend. So if the price could want or keeping increase, must have the capital, the money to support. But from the divergent expert, we can see the money still flowing out, still flowing out. But today's amount of flowing out is smaller than yesterday. The smaller than yesterday. That's why today is a stop loss and keeping rose a little bit. Yeah. So that is the 2 points I teach you today. One is the candlestick button, another is the price must have the capital to support. Otherwise, they just fake increase. They will drop down right away. Okay. And after the U.S. market, there is the Canada market. Canada today didn't rose. It's dropped down 41.04 points or 0.29% off and closed at 13882.41. Okay, it's regarding the oil price. Yeah, that's right. And from the technical part, you can see it's also very clearly. You see, Michelle, for that one, how I see the support position or the resistance position. And right now, you see, I already have a 3 days that is a little bit sideways. So, little bit sideways, so that means at that position have a support. And when you open the Homely software unique indicator CD, you can see it's wow, very clear. So that candle's price still at the most longer blue line and keeping the sideways here. As soon as they're breaking through up towards breakthrough or down towards breaking through, then they will have a new direction. But for right now, recent student they just going the sideways. It may be waiting for the oil and also waiting for the money. So from the capital part is a little bit similar with the U.S. market because today is still also the money flow out. But today it's a little more smaller than yesterday. But for the red chips, it's getting lost. Getting less and less didn't increase anymore. Okay, so this is a candle market. After candle market, also about the oils. Oils right now just increased a little bit, but you see the price is much lower than yesterday. Yesterday is 47 and today is only the 46. But around the 46, we also can find around the 45 we can find the support a little bit, and because the 45 is former's lower point, so former lower point will give the support for the price right now. Okay, so that's the oil market. So that is today's my analysis. If you like my video and you think it's help you about your investment in the stock market, you can follow my Facebook and get that video by free on daily basis. And my Facebook is Initial Stock Market Watch, SMW Michelle Wang, and also the same thing. If you have any question or you have any good suggestion, you also can send an email to me. My email address is michellehomelychartcanada@gmail.com. Okay, thank you to watch it and see you tomorrow. Bye.